Tabel. Today at station number 10. Go. Okay, today's video starts at the Hayato station and we'll go to the station Kagoshima Chuo and Kagoshima Central Station. And the station that is coming the Shinkansen and Super Express and as a limited express like Kirishima and others. Okay, and then I would take the last runner. Oops. Last runner from here. Oops. And maybe I mistake the number of runner. Maybe this is the 28th runner. Sorry. Local Kawashima Chuo to Makurazaki Station. The terminal. And this is the between during the Makurazaki Ibisaki Makurazaki line, and that is from Kawashima Chuo to Makurazaki. The Nishi-Oyama station is there, and this station is known to be the Japanese southeast station. And there is some freight that suggests that Nishi-Oyama that shows the Nishi-Oyama station as the most southeast station in Japan, and as the northeast station or the west station or east station. Okay, and then about 1 hour or more, I arrived the Makurazaki station, the goal of the travel. Wow, the big travel is finally finished. Yeah. And I make a travel plan like this, and start is Wakane Station, Hokkaido, and the going and going and going and going. Finally, I come to Makurazaki Station. Wow. I mistake the place. Maybe Makurazaki is around here. These pointers, but I get arrive the station. I arrive the station. The goal, my goal, and this is my goal. Okay, and there is a plate, and the that shows the from Wakkanai to Makurazaki, and that is not to be the northeast terminal and the southeast terminal. And these two stations becomes friend friend city becoming. I take the train. I wanted to take a train more good and more better, but it is too dark and I can't take a good picture. I can't take good photos. Sorry. Now, and this is my travel's goal, and I finished the travel. But maybe you understand, I have to go back to my house. So my travel would keep going. Was keep going about 3 or more days. But this is only go back to my house. And there is no interesting thing around there. So, this videos, this thema's video is finished. This thema is finished. Finished. So, I will take maybe a new thema. New thema talking about it in new videos. Thank you very much for listening and viewing my layer travel. This video is by Masahiro Umemura. Thank you very much. Goodbye.